Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Wednesday, September 9th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I'm going to go over a couple of the stocks that we actually had setups. A lot of people are uncertain of the markets right now. There's a lot of volatility in the markets, as well as uncertainty. With that said, we had a 10% correction. We had hit highs on the SPY 213. We tested at 187, actually 182.70 level, and now you're noticing that the markets are kind of bouncing. Everything was pretty much based on what China was doing. A lot of the blame was placed on China. Slower growth, prices of oil were dropping. What we noticed on the FXI was we were seeing higher lows. We had that holiday weekend, that Labor Day weekend, and we took a position on the FXI. We actually traded here at a low of 33.40. It gave us an opportunity to enter these calls as low as $2.20. Today we actually hit a high of 36.98, testing that 37 level, which is that 21-day moving average. We actually broke this bullish flag pattern here, which I consider this bullish inside flag pattern, and we broke it on the upside. There still is potential for a move higher. If we notice here, we're making two closes above this upper trend line here. Okay, so this is significant. With that said, we have upside up to about 38 and potentially retest this 39 level. But I recommend that traders understand the trade, also understand risk, and lock profits on the way up. A lot of pundits on social medias, also on major media outlets, CNBC, were talking about China, breaking lower. We were looking at something different. We were seeing higher lows here. It gave us an opportunity to kind of enter near this lower trend, and we actually broke higher. So just a beautiful trade here. What I want traders to kind of look at, this is a 5-minute chart on the SPY. This is channel 1, which we broke. Okay, channel 1 broke. We were in a little bit of a downward trend, but since then we've kind of broken above that. Okay, but at the same time, now we're heading into some resistance here at that 199.70 level to 202.50. There is a potential gap fill here. Okay, but what we noticed is we opened at 199.32 and we're actually trading at the lows of 197.31. So that makes this 199.30 level here, okay, that 199.30 resistance. If we close above that 199.30 today or tomorrow, we likely will test this 202.50 level. But with that said, okay, don't fall in love with either side of the trade. Okay, you don't want to become extremely bullish here. Okay, we are heading, and a lot of talks about a 7-year cycle. You're talking about a lot of uncertainty over the weekend. So I want traders to kind of understand the situational awareness. I was looking for a close below 192 on 2 consecutive closes to see, and a breakdown to this retest of the 182.50 level. But with that said, okay, we want to be extremely patient. We want to wait for a confirmation here. Okay, this is something that I've talked to our traders here on Radio Silent Play. So as soon as we see some kind of confirmation, that's when we're going to send out our setup. Another level here is the IWM. Okay, we broke this channel 1. Okay, recently we tested this bottom. Okay, and now we're heading into this resistance here. Okay, at this channel 2. Okay, we kind of tested it. This 116.50 level could not break, and now what we're seeing is some consolidation here. Okay, we opened up at 116.42. We're at the lows 114.74. So if you see a close above this 116.20 level, okay, that's gonna be you're gonna have a little bit of more bullish upside sentiment. But with that said, okay, you don't want to kind of trade this higher, okay, or look to short near this range, because you want to look for a confirmation. If we fail and we close below 114.20 on 2 consecutive closes, that shows weakness in the market. So I want traders to kind of keep an eye on that. All right. What I'm looking for major confirmation is a close below 112 on 2 consecutive closes. If we close below 112 on 2 consecutive closes, I'm looking at this 109 double bottom retest. Okay, so what we're looking for is a close below 112 on 2 consecutive closes. That's a major move. Well, if not, what we're looking for is a potential move up to 118, 119, and that's when we'll start looking at a potential short opportunity. But for now, we want to be extremely patient with the market. Another stock that we sent out was Lumber Liquidators. We were talking about this bullish inside flag pattern. We saw this bullish inside consolidation, held that 14 level, gave us an opportunity to enter as low as $2.20 for the January 15 calls at strike 15, and they're currently trading at $3.30 right now. Okay, what we're looking for is a close confirmation above this 21-day moving average and 8-day moving average of 1480. Right now we're trading at 1530. So 2 consecutive closes above that 15 level. I would not be surprised for this to test 17 into next week. Okay, with a weak market, you're still seeing the Lumber Liquidators trade extremely bullish. Okay, another stock that we actually triggered here was the ARCs. This is an OTC stock. This was a stock that was mentioned from 10 to 12, 10 to 13 levels. We actually accumulated this stock at these ranges, and today we're actually trading at 0.003. So that gave us an opportunity to hit about 150 to 200% move on this stock. This was a stock that was sent out back in August, and now if you notice, the patience is paying off. Okay, another stock is Mhcc. We noticed that this stock was in a downward trend. It actually broke that 25 level. We were looking at that 50% retrace, gave us an opportunity to enter as low as 16, and today we hit a high of 49. We're seeing a little bit of a topping tail here, so I recommend that traders look to profit. Those that enter between 16 and 20, I'm sure that you guys lock profits, but at the same time, what we're looking for is 2 closes above 24 to continue move to 36.48. Pivot now becomes 48, and then a potential test of 62. Remember, trades work in fluctuations. They don't just work on the way up. They just don't go in a linear motion. They move back and up and down. But what we're seeing here is a high of 48, and now we're testing that open at the day of 24. So just keep an eye on that 21-day moving average at 24. Another stock that we sent out, this was back in March 26th, was that Flib, ticker symbol FLIB. Okay, this was a stock that actually triggered here, gave us a low entry here at 18. The stock ended up hitting yesterday at a high of 0.008. So this was just a beautiful move off that low entry here at 18. Okay, this kind of shows that what stocks do and how stocks with patience can rally. Okay, another stock that I've mentioned is this EVTI. This is a stock that kind of has been posting a little bit of a bullish inside flag pattern. Gave a low again, retest of that 13 level, and today hit a high of 25. Okay, this is a rinse and repeat stock. If you notice here, back on August 20th, it gave us an opportunity to enter at 14, tested at 24, and then came back right back down. So this is an ATM stock. Another stock that a lot of people are looking at is ticker symbol OWOO. What I'm noticing is a little bit of a bullish, or actually a bearish flag pattern. I think that this thing has significant support here at that 0.004 to 0.005 level. So what you want to see is maybe a potential kiss of that level. Right now, what I'm noticing is a bear flag here. So watch for this break of 0.006. If you test this 0.006 and you break below it, I would not be surprised to test this 0.0037, 0.004 on a kiss. Okay, so watch these levels here on the OWOO. Another stock that actually triggered was a bullish inside flag pattern. This was a stock that gave us a 50% retrace level at 0005 when it lost that 10 support. Then from 0005, which it triggered for RSP, rallied and hit a high of 0.0035, and then pulled back, gave us an opportunity to re-enter this stock at 12. We were talking about that 1013 re-entry levels. It actually triggered, and right now we're testing that 18 level here. Okay, would not be surprised for this to continue and potentially break this 0.002 level and potentially retest that 0.0034 level. Okay, another stock I want to kind of show you guys is ticker symbol AA. This is Alcoa. This was a beautiful trade here for traders. We were talking about that kiss of 9. It actually gave us an opportunity to enter as low as 811. Okay, now the stock since hit a high of 994, and now the stock is trading at 961, trading above that 21 and 8-day moving average at 947. Just a beautiful trade. We locked profits here. We were looking at that target $10, but again, we added a starter at 43, gave us an opportunity to add as low as 0.003, and the stock actually hit a high of, or the contracts hit a high of 0.007 level, or I'm sorry, 70 cents level. So just a beautiful move, 60 to 80% move here on the Alcoa. Okay, so if you have any questions, just send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. If you want to join and try us out for a free membership for a 30-day free trial, just go on www.radiosilentplay.com. If you have iPhone, you can download the app at just search Radio Silent Play on iTunes, or on Google Android. You can search Radio Silent Play and you can download the app, and we give you real time. As soon as we trigger on Radio Silent Play, that gets sent out to you guys. Okay, so any questions, just send me an email here at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Take care, everyone.